Hey guys, I just want to show you this really impressive rechargeable 90-degree um, grinder. So it comes with the twist in style 2-inch disc type interface. You just install the arbor into here and tighten it up. There is a locking button so that you can easily tighten it up. It'll hold the shaft if you push that. There is a safety feature right here that you have to push this up in order to be able to depress the trigger. Comes with two 2000 milliamp hour batteries. These actually have some LED indicators to tell you the state of charge. Again, there's two of them, a little charger. But one of the really cool things is all the adapters they give you. So you have a bunch of like flapper discs, some more like Scotch-Brite abrasive discs in different colors and grits, sandpaper. This all goes into these. They twist into this little attachment thing. You just little kind of quarter turn and it will self-tighten and so it doesn't fall off. But when you need to replace it, you just give it a little twist. So that is super easy. You don't have to worry about changing shafts all the time. There's also another one of these that has Velcro on it that can be installed on there. And this is for some of the other ones, like a buffing disc. This is for the buffing disc, but everything else has the reverse thread and different Scotch-Brite pads, flapper wheels, which work really great for grinding. So this is going to be awesome because I don't need a power cord, and it's going to do one of my least favorite things. We got to sharpen some lawnmower blades here. So I got my safety glasses on. I can't wait to try it. Let's go ahead and give it a go here, see how it goes. So plenty of speed and power in order to sharpen those lawnmower blades. You can strip paint, you can polish, sand, anything you need to do. It's super easy to use, super small and convenient. Rubber over molded handle. And there's also, you can change the speed. So I'm on speed number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So more control, more speeds, no cords, and 2 batteries to keep you powered up wherever you need to go. Hopefully you'll find this review helpful. This is a nice grinder, and I'm really excited to use it for all the tasks I need one without a cord.